The following message is transmitted at the request of the Valley Forge Police Department. At 2:30 p.m., a report of a person entering a local bank and began knifing people. He has made contact with local police and claims he has explosives in the building and they will detonate if his demands are not yet. A total of 4 people were knifed. One sheriff was in the building when he began his killing spree. He does have a pistol on him, but he is having trouble. Please stay away from the Valley Forge Bank as he is considered very dangerous. From his previous record, his mental health is very poor, and began acting very violent after his father and mother were killed when he was 14. Everyone should stay away from the Valley Forge Police Department. This message will repeat in 5 minutes. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Valley Forge Police Department. This is an update from the last emergency message. Everyone in the bank was killed after the sheriff was killed. Everyone else in the bank attempted to hide, but they were all knifed. The individual that began the killing spree had taken his whole life. The building has exploded. 30 people in the bank have died with 2 injuries. 5 police officers were dead in addition. The emergency alert system has been deactivated. We are now returning to normal programming. Please stand by. Please stand by.